Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe, and if you have, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. In today's video, I will be showing you my last project, which is a wedding gown. So my initial choice was to make the blue tulle wedding gown, but I did not have enough money to buy the material for that dress, so I settled with the red dress minus the lace. This is me cutting out all my fabrics, and I did not record myself drafting the pattern for this wedding gown. And started stitching the dress off camera, and this is where I am at so far. The top part is tulle. I sewed 2 layers of soft tulle and created boning channel with the satin that I used on the cups and the rest of the dress. Now I'm going to start stitching the bottom part of the dress. this point, I had already stitched the cups to the top part of the dress and inserted the bra cups inside, and now I'm just joining the top part to the skirt. This is the dress so far. I am almost done. I just have to insert the zipper and the lining and also finish the overskirt. I have to gather this, then attach it to a waistband. Under this dress, I have to stitch the zip, then attach the lining to the dress. Then I am done with the dress. I will only be left with hand stitching the appliques. Then after stitching hand stitching appliques and some beads, I will be completely done with the dress. This is the final look of the dress. I absolutely love how it turned out. I love the applique on the cup, and I did not finish inserting the bead on the top part of the dress, but I'm okay with how it looks. Had 4 looks and 1 wedding gown, and I only managed to record 2 looks. This is the third look, a denim dress with open sleeve. This is a little clip of me sewing the dress, and I also made jeans with the same fabric, and I will leave the video so that you can see both looks. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching this video and for subscribing, and don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye. This was a mini project we had to do. We were given fabric so that we can sew anything of choice with the fabrics, and I chose to make a bucket hat with a soft drafted pattern.